How to add a Medicare card to your Apple Wallet. First, we need to go to the App Store and we'll just search for Pass to You, just like that. You need this application in order to add it to your Apple Wallet. Click on the app that pops up like so, Pass to Your Wallet, digitize cards, and you want to get this app. Once you have it, I'll just open it up right here. We want to press on the orange plus sign, and then we will click on Apply a Pass Template. Now from here, we want to use the search bar to search for Medicare. Just like that, click on Done, and you can find these different cards. So find one that is most applied, so like this one, 700, and then you will click on Done here after you fill out all of your information. So click on Done, and it's going to look like this. Now we want to press on Add. And if you have it, if we go to the wallet, as you can see, we have the Medicare card. I'll just open up my Apple Wallet to prove it to you. Here we have Medicare, and if you have filled out your information, you will be able to find it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.